Okay. Salim Maya. Salim Maya. Salim Mohammed.
Juma Mohammed.
I don't think William Ruto or any government official, President William Ruto or any government official is going to be threatened by a play. No, of course not at all. I mean, I saw people saying, oh, the government is threatened by what? I mean, we have faced so many other political issues. We have faced more serious security issues as a country to be threatened by a play by young people. The thing is, we are insisting, let the politicians give way and allow our children to criticize us. We have no problem. Allow them to also explore ways of communication that is going to help them grow to be responsible citizens. So we don't fear criticism.